I'm Jessica.
I'm Emily.
I'm Bree. I'm Shannon.
And we're teaching geometry and fractions. The Common Core standards that we chose is dividing fractions into equal parts and expressing each area of the shape as fractions and vice versa. Our objective today is that by the end of our lesson, you will be able to manipulate the VBOT so that you can identify from a question the fraction or the shape that it corresponds to.
Shapes are holes which can be cut into pieces, and those pieces are called fractions. In today's lessons, you will learn shapes, fractions, different types of fractions, and how to identify different shapes or fractions.
Who knows what this shape is? Can you draw a circle on the board for us?
That's actually decent.
Okay, so who can divide this shape into thirds?
I can.
Good job.
Okay, can someone come up and shade in 1/3? Okay, does anyone know how much of this shape is filled in? Yeah.
1/2.
Good job.
How much of this shape is filled in? Okay, geometry is a topic in mathematics that deals with points, lines, shapes, and space. Plane geometry is anything that is flat shapes like lines, circles, and squares.
A vocabulary word that you will need to know is quadrilateral, and it is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles. A square is a quadrilateral because it has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles, and all the sides are equal, so they are parallel.
And this is a rectangle. It is also quadrilateral with 4 sides and 4 right angles. And the opposite sides are equal and also parallel. And when they're parallel, it just means if they keep going on forever, they'll never touch. And this is a circle. A round plane figure with an imaginary continuous line which is always the same distance from the center. And just like a clock.
Okay, so fractions are the next part of the lesson. Fractions are formed when the whole is divided into a certain number of equal parts. So your whole is going to be a shape, in this case a rectangle, and it has to be equal, so you can't divide it there and say that that is 1/2 and that is 1/2 because they're not equal. So after first comes second. Does anyone know what comes after second? So it's the same idea with fractions. You start with a whole, you have a 1, divide it in half, and you have a half. And then in 3 parts, you have a third, divided into 4 parts, and you have a fourth.
The number above the line is the numerator, and that tells you how many parts are actually shaded in. The number below the line is the denominator, and that's how many equal parts make the whole. A whole in this case is the circle, is divided equally into 2 parts. One part is a half, and that's the one that's shaded green.
So this circle is divided into 4 parts, and if you shaded one part, what would that be? It would be 1 part. And then if you shade in 3 parts of the circle, your fraction is 3 parts.
And this rectangle is divided into 4, so 4 goes on the bottom with the denominator, and then there's 2 shaded parts, so 2 goes on top, so it's 2 parts. And then this one is 3 parts total, and how many shapes how much of it is shaded in that little
1/3.
Yes. One of 3.
One part.
Yes.
Okay. In this case, the whole is the circle, and there are 3 parts total, and there are 2 parts shaded, so that makes 2/3. And here we have a square, and it's divided into 2 parts, and 1 part is shaded, so it's 1/2 of a square. Alright, so your B-bots, everyone has been divided into groups by colors. There's a red group, a blue group, and a yellow group. So right now, if all the yellow groups could come over here with 3, all the red groups can go over here with Emily, and all the blue groups can come over here with Jessica. And then we'll do
If you want, you can eat them now.
You can eat your M&Ms.
Bring them?
You can eat them.
Eat? I got red.
This is blue.
Blue's in the middle. Red is right here.
Alright,
All of us, yeah.
okay. Can you guys choose one person to be like little?
Who wants to control?
Who wants to control the
Alright, so
Sure.
the B-bots, if you look on them, turn them upside down, and you should turn them on. Power on. Sound is awesome. Okay. If you look at the B-bot, there are arrows. The forward arrow will make it go forward 1 square. If you turn it, little swoopy arrow, it'll only turn, it won't go forward. So if you want it to go forward and then turn 1 and then go forward again, you need to press the forward button, the little turn button, and the forward button. And then press go when we say to. And then after each question, you're going to press clear, okay? Make sense? So put it on the start here. We're going to give you a
Kind
question.
of like a race.
Yeah, we're going to do a question, and you're going to have to program the B-bot to go to the correct square. We're going to see who's going to go first, okay? All right. First question. Don't touch your B-bot.
Yeah, we'll touch them.
Question 1. What shows 1/2 of a rectangle? Go ahead and program.
Forward, side, forward.
Go, 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 we gotta win. We're totally
We're
winning.
so winning. Done. Whoop whoop.
Okay,
I got one.
It's off the map. It's off the
It's
map.
like barely, it's like right on the line.
Okay, so now press clear and put them back.
What
on
color are you guys?
Yellow.
Yeah.
Anyone else want to do it? Let's go for it.
Get out.
Was green right? All right, everyone ready? All right, question 2. What shows 3/4 of a shape?
Go.
Ah.
There you go.
Uh-oh.
We're losing.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh no.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ours
Blue.
Us.
Forward 1. Oh, and then
Yeah.
take left.
No.
No. You said it too. Get clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly what I did.
We're totally representing that.
And then forward twice. Yeah. Oh, you showed me.
These are me.
All right, put it back on start here. Press clear.
Figure it out.
Okay, question 3. What fraction represents what is shaded?
Shaded is everything that's not white.
Yeah.
Oh, we got this.
Yes.
All right.
Slightly.
We win. Just barely. Oh, I just win.
It's big.
They won't like us.
We're like, who else has a yellow?
All right, yay, good job. Looks like yellow group won. Congratulations. Okay, can you guys all go back to your computer and get on in photos?
Stop that.
Do you have the price for the yellow group?
Oh yeah, I have prices for the yellow group.
So raise your hand if you're in the yellow group and she'll give you your price for answering everything correctly. We're just.
Oh, and she just got her wisdom teeth out. And she.
Do you want something else?
Can I pick a different one? I can't suck.
You can just let it sit there.
I still can't.
Anyone else?
Save it for when you heal.
Okay.
All right. So good job. You guys know your fractions and your shapes. Once you're on Edmodo, there should be, the first thing should be a quiz called Geometry and Fractions. If not, go to the iTech 2360 page. Has anyone not found the quiz? Okay, once you found it, you can go ahead and take it. There's no race or anything and no prize. So
Pretend there is.
Yes. On it.
You get 100 too? Yeah.
Oh, it's good.
I'm gonna put that
Crushed it.
Who is still taking the quiz? Everyone done?
No, mine crashed on me, I gotta,
You're gonna have to stay after class.
okay. I'll come in at lunch.
Does anybody have any questions about geometry or fractions or anything? Awesome. Good job, guys.
Thank you. Good job. Next group, why don't you get set up? You have 5 minutes.
Are we going in order now? I don't know what the order is.
Always do it.